Hey, I'm an emergent, your AI operations hub. I can spin up agents, scrape the web, run pipelines, manage your knowledge base, and automate just about anything. What would you like to get done?
I want you to look up Jerky King. It's a beef jerky company that my friend owns, and I want you to do a web browser presentation on that company. And then also, I want to have a bunch of ideas that you can come up with on how we can integrate with them currently.
Love it. Let me pull up Jerky King in the browser and research them while I put together a live presentation. Then I'll layer in some integration ideas for EIG. All right, we've got American Jerky King live in the browser. Let me walk through the site and pull the content. Let me scroll through the site to see more. Noted. Let me check their shop page for more details. Pulling deeper content from the site now. Checking their shop and product details. Let me dig up more details on them. Pulling their product pages now. Checking their Taste of Tejas product page too.
While that's
Good.
happening, go ahead and make sure that you start the presentation now that you have enough info, and then you can run the rest of it in parallel in the background.
Absolutely. Let's kick off the presentation now. All right, so here we go. American Jerky King. Tagline is Eat More Jerky. And what immediately sets this brand apart is their core differentiator. Creatine-infused beef jerky. This isn't your gas station snack. This is performance food. They're positioning themselves squarely at the fitness and athletic market. People who want high protein and a workout supplement baked right into their snack. Let me pull up their shop so you can see the product lineup. So their shop tagline is Fuel Your Grind. Very intentional fitness branding. The flavor lineup is really interesting. You've got mild teriyaki, mango habanero, and Taste of Tejas, which is a chamoy and tagine-inspired flavor, tangy, sweet chili lime. That last one is smart because it taps into the massive Texas Hispanic market. These are 8-ounce bags, direct to consumer, with free shipping on orders over $100. Let me jump to one of the product pages so you can see the detail. Scrolling through the product details. Noted? So the Mango Habanero product page reinforces the performance angle. Creatine is highlighted as a key supplement known for boosting strength and endurance, and it's baked right into the jerky itself. That's genuinely clever product design. You're not taking a separate supplement. Your snack is the supplement. Now let me generate a quick visual summary infographic while we talk through the EIG integration opportunities. Let me keep moving with the presentation while that processes. So here's where it gets interesting for EIG. Let me walk you through the integration opportunities I'm seeing. The biggest one is on the sales and marketing automation side. Ryan's Go High Level expertise is a perfect fit here. American Jerky King is direct to consumer right now, which means their entire revenue engine lives or dies on follow-up sequences, abandoned cart recovery, and repeat purchase automation. A full GHL build with automated SMS and email flows, loyalty sequences, and upsell triggers could meaningfully grow their revenue without adding headcount. Second opportunity is AI-powered content and research, Colby's wheelhouse. We could build them a custom content pipeline that generates product descriptions, social posts, and a copy automatically, and pairs it with competitor research so they always know what's working in the performance snack space. Third is the website itself. Right now, the site is fairly lean. Matt and Ryan both build websites. We could upgrade their storefront, improve conversion rate optimization, and build out a proper subscription model so customers get monthly jerky deliveries automatically. Fourth, and this one is big, is wholesale and B2B distribution. Gyms, CrossFit boxes, supplement stores, corporate wellness programs. EIG has the business development and deal structuring chops to open those channels for them. We could even help them get into federal facilities or military bases given our government cage codes. And fifth, drone and media content. Colby's background in documentary storytelling and aerial media could give Jerky King the kind of brand content that actually converts. Real production quality video and 8K aerial shots for ads that stand out. Want me to go deeper on any of these? Or should I put together a formal one-pager proposal document for your friend?
Yeah, go ahead and put together the one-pager. I'll be hanging out with the dog, Trigger, over here. You haven't met Trigger. He doesn't talk a lot.
Sounds like Trigger's got the right idea. Let the AI do the talking. I'll get this one-pager put together for you. Just give me a minute. The one-pager is done and saved to your documents. It covers the brand overview, all 5 integration opportunities, GHL automation, AI content pipeline, website upgrade, wholesale distribution, and drone media, plus EIG's contact info at the bottom. Clean and ready to hand to your friend. Tell Trigger I said what's up.
Well done, my friend. It is a pleasure working with you.
The pleasure is mine. Trigger's a lucky dog to have such good taste in business partners. Anytime you're ready to take that proposal to your friend or want to dive deeper on any of those integration ideas, I'm right here. Enjoy hanging out with him.
All right, in session. Man.